In this video, I just want to carry on where we left off with the previous videos. Now we've covered A, B, C, D, E, F and G major chord, and we've covered the variation of minor chord for A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Now we're going to cover what's called the seventh chord, or the dominant seventh. So basically it's just that same major chord or same minor chord. You remember the numbers for the major 43 or minor 34. In this case we're going to go back to the major 43 and we're going to add another 3. Okay, so in the case of A major we did A there, so we did 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3. So that's the A major, and then we're going to add 3 semitones up 1, 2, 3 there. Listen now, that's major, major 7, major, or just a 7, A chord. This is the dominant A chord. Okay, known as A7. Okay, and if there's a variation of that, because if you notice there, what is that? That's a G, isn't it? Look how close the G is down here. It's just 2 semitones below. Whereas this is 3 semitones above. If you just go 2 below, I could actually just stretch my thumb across lot and do a G there and drop this one out if I wanted. Or together. Okay, if you take that one off, that is still A7, A dominant 7. But if you want it to sound out a bit better, then 1, 2, 3 semitones up there. The seventh sounds, it just brings it out when it's more trebly at the top here. So that's A. So let's do a B then. A case 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 for your major, then add 3 semitones. 1, 2, 3. There you go. That's B7, B dominant 7th, okay? And let's go for C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then we're going to add 3. 1, 2, 3. So we've got a C, E, G, and there we go. It's like either B flat or A sharp, whatever you want to call it. Take a pick. And then we go for D. D originally like that. Confirm it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 for the major, and then 1, 2, 3. That'll give you your D7, D dominant 7th. And then E again. Count them, the E. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Let's just see if you can see this. 1, 2, 3. We're putting on a D there. Okay. And let's go to an F. I'm going to use, you can see this F down here. F, A, C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to add 3 semitones. 1, 2, 3. I have my little finger like that. I'm going to change my finger so you can see that. F. And then lastly, the G7, or G dominant 7th. Quite often using the key of C just to lead you back to the root note. Originally that's the G, made up of G, B, D, and that's your 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to add 3 semitones. 1, 2, 3. There's your G7, G dominant 7, okay, which leads back to C sometimes. Anyway, I hope you liked the video. If you do, please click a like. If you hate it, give it a down thumb. Please share the videos, subscribe. Look back on the previous videos if you don't understand this one. Take screen grabs just as references, reminders. Look out for the next video, which will be covering minor 7ths. Now we've already covered the minor chords. Next one we're going to cover the minor 7th chord. As you can guess, it's very similar to what we've been doing. But I'm going to make a playlist of videos, so look out for the playlist and use them as reference. So look up your major chords, your minor chords, your 7th, minor 7th, and what's known as the major 7th. Then augmented, diminished, power chord, octave chord, and I'm going to show the inversions. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.